Business Math.
Hi, a blessed morning to everyone. Before we proceed in our presentation, let me introduce our group first. I am Vivian Maris Abando, and my group mates are Adion Jeffrey, Adolfo Dave Christian, Apolonio Andrew, Abuyo Glyzel Ann, Bercasio Altea May, Camaso Pauline, Del Puso Kim Naira Joy, De La Cruz Christine Joy, Exclamado Angela Nina, and Galion Novimir. Now, let us begin the presentation. Our presentation tackles about convert terminating decimal into fraction. Please listen carefully and focus to the presentation. Enjoy watching.
Our given for number 1 is 0.24. And to change the terminating decimal to fraction, we have these steps to follow. First is determine the decimal place of the given. So sa given, we have two decimal places and we read that as hundreds. Next step is use base 10 denominator. Dahil ang given ay 24 hundredths, ibig sabihin yan ay 24 over 100. The last step is to simplify. So, ano ba yung GCF ng 24 and 100? Yun ay 4. So, we will divide 24 and 100 sa 4. Kaya 24 divided by 4 is equal to 6. And 100 divided by 4 is equal to 25. So, we will have 6 over 25. Kaya may simplify pa ba natin iyan? Hindi na. Kaya 24 hundredths is equal to 6 over 25.
Number 2. Ang given sa number 2 ay 0.32 hundredths. So that's 32 over 100. Sa hanapin natin yung greatest common factor na 32 over 100. So that's 4. Divide both sides by 4 and 32 divided by 4 is 8 and 100 divided by 4 is 25. So the answer is 8 over 25.
Let's proceed to number 3. The given is 0.21. So how we will convert this terminating decimal to fraction? 0.21, 1 is our tenths and 2 is our hundredths. So therefore, our decimal number is in the nearest hundredths. Let's just write 21 as our numerator and our decimal is in the nearest hundredths. So therefore, our denominator will be 100. So our answer will be 21 over 100. We just need to put this on lowest term, but our numerator is odd number and our denominator is even number. They don't have a GCF, our greatest common factor. That's why our answer will still 21 over 100.
Number 4. 0.66. First, recall the place value of the digits after the decimal point. And then next, use base 10 denominator instead of decimal, 0.66 hundredths. What are the simplest form of 66 over 100? Divide it by 2 and the answer is 33 over 50.
Number 5, 0.1254, rewrite the decimal number as a fraction with 1 in the denominator. 0.1254 over 1, multiply to remove 4 decimal places. Here you multiply top and bottom by 10 to the 4th power. 0.1254 over 1 times 10,000 over 10,000 equals 1,254 over 10,000. Find the GCF of 1,254 and 10,000. If it exists, and reduce the fraction by dividing both numerator and denominator by GCF equals to 1,254 divide 2 over 10,000 divide 2 equals to 627 over 5,000.
I'm grateful of you for sparing some time to our presentation. I hope that you learned something, enjoyed watching, and learned many aspects about what we had present. Once again, we are Group 1. Thank you and God bless you all.